Hello everyone, so today is my Ipsy unbagging. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to unbag it first, and then the second half of the video I'm going to try everything on. But I just kind of wanted to do things a little bit differently, so those of you who just want to see the unbagging can just see that, and then those of you who also want to see try-ons and swatches and all that good stuff can see that as well. I'll go ahead and leave a little timestamp right here to tell you what time I start trying everything on. So if you don't want to see the unbagging and you just want to see me try everything on, you can skip ahead. If you're new, hey, my name is Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, go ahead and hit that little notification bell that notifies you for all of my future videos. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy bag, then let's get started. So I had canceled my subscription for a little while, and then I just signed back up. So they always come in these little pink envelopes. And straight out of the bag, I've got two masks, which is really awesome. They are the Goodnight PM masks. It says, skin feeling stressed from a long day, say goodbye to rough and dry skin. End your night with the rejuvenating PM mask to nourish and revitalize your skin overnight. So yeah, they gave me two of those. I love to try out masks because my skin is extremely dry, and it says nourish and moisture. So that's right up my alley. So I'm definitely excited about these. And here is the bag this month. I think that it's really cute. They said online that you could color your little people. So either I will, or I might just let my daughter do it because she loves coloring. And actually, I typically give these to her anyways because she loves little bags. She puts all of her little toys in them. And you just have a pink zipper with the pink ribbon at the top. Every month they give you a little card, and it says create on the front, which is cute. All right, so the first thing I'm feeling is the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. I actually have a sample of this already, and I actually like it. So just a black liner. I don't ever have to go buy black liners anymore because I just get sent so many samples in my subscription boxes, so I'm pretty much set for life. The next thing I'm feeling is a Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. It's a baked highlighter. Ooh. All right, it looks like this. It's like a pink shade. It is that baked formula, so it's like a little dry feeling, as most baked highlighters are, baked products in general. I don't know if you can see that very well on my hand, but it is pretty pink, so I don't know if I would use it as a highlighter per se, maybe more of like a blush topper. Because my skin is so white, you'd probably definitely be able to see a pink streak going across my face. On to the next item. I'm feeling a brush. Yes, and I love getting brushes in my bags because then again, I don't have to go buy anymore. The majority of the brushes that I have are ones that I got sent in subscriptions. Ooh, and this is so cute. It's like a pink glittery bottom. It's from, I can't read what it says on the front, so I'll have to find it and leave it here right for you to tell you what kind of brush it is. I know it's a something SL41. So there you go. I'd probably use this as like highlight or maybe blush. It's kind of got a weird shape to it, so it's not like really round. It's kind of like skinny right here, so yeah, I'd probably just use this for highlight, but it is a very cute brush, and the bristles are very soft. All right, the next thing in here I'm feeling is, oh, okay, these are the little markers. So they send you little markers to decorate your bag. How nice. The last thing I'm feeling in here is I don't even know how to say this. I've gotten so many things from this brand, and I always pronounce it wrong. Deuce, I have no idea. But it says it's an eyeshadow. You can throw this into a Z palette. If I can get this open. Oh, it's all good. It didn't break. So this looks to be like a shimmery brown color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you. It is pretty creamy. And there's a swatch right there. It's like a brown with flecks of gold in it. It's pretty. Not something that I typically would go for all the time, but I'm going to branch out today and I'm going to do it. All right, that was everything in this month's Ipsy bag. I'm going to go ahead and put some base face makeup on first. I'll be back. Okay, so I have a little bit of base makeup on, foundation, concealer, some powder, and some bronzer, and I did my eyebrows. So I am going to finish off the face. I'm going to take the baked highlighter. This is in the shade Bellini, I believe it's called. And then I'm going to take that brush that I got, and I'm going to use that to apply the highlight. So it does look like it kind of has some like chunky glitter in it. I can't really tell if it's like a whole lot's coming off of on my brush or not, but I guess we'll see. So it's definitely a pink highlight. And you can definitely tell on my face that it's a pink highlight. Honestly, just kind of looks like I have a pink streak on my face. I think I applied a little bit too much of it on this side. So I'm just gonna go in with a damp beauty blender and try to just tone that down a little bit. Of the overall product, I do like the product itself. I just wish it was in a different color. Pink highlights really aren't my thing because I think that they just look way too pink on me. Next up, I am going to take the Duce, however the heck you say it. And I'm just going to take it on a Morphe M441. And I'm just going to put it all over my lid. And I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It just looks very powdery on my brush. When you try to get in there, it just like powders up, kind of crumbly. And it has a heck of a lot of fallout. So I am going to try to brush this off my face. And I think I'm going to go in with my finger and see if that works a little bit better. And I did prime my eyes too. I put concealer down and I set them with powder. See, then I'm just kind of left with a big mess under my face. I don't know how all you guys can see that or not, but there's definitely quite a bit of fallout. I'm gonna try to buff this out with this brush. Okay, now I just look crazy. I am just going to take this Morphe M535. I'm going to take my blush, see if this works. And I'm going to try to just blend this out as best I can. And as I'm blending it, it just creates more fallout. Okay, this is turning out so bad. I don't think I've ever had an eyeshadow that I disliked as much as I dislike this. It's so patchy. I can't get it to like stay in certain places. Definitely not my favorite. I'm just gonna grab a single from my ColourPop collection. This is the Made to Last single eyeshadow, and this is in a Morphe E18. I'm just gonna run this on my lower lash line. Alright, so I'm going to move on. I'm going to move on to the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. So it's just a black liner. Pretty standard. I'm just going to use this to tight line. I haven't been doing a whole lot of liner lately. I've mostly just been using it on my tight line, so that's what I'm going to do today. So I actually really enjoy that. That went on pretty smoothly. And if you want to see a little swatch, I don't know, it's dark. It's not like the darkest liner in the world. It's definitely nothing compared to like a liquid eyeliner, but I like it. Okay, I'm just going to curl my lashes real quick, throw on some mascara, and I'll be right back. Here I am all finished up. So overall, the highlight, I like the formula. It is nice, but the color is a little bit too pink for me. The eyeshadow, it is like a bronzy brown. It's brown with a lot of gold shimmer in it, gold glitter. I'm not a fan of it. It was hard to apply. There was a ton of fallout, so not my cup of tea. I really do like the brush. I think it's pretty and soft, and it will sit nicely in my little brush container. And then the liner, I thought it glided on really smoothly. Like I said, I do already have a little sample of this, and I do really like it, so more is good. And then I'll have to try these later and update you guys in the description box below about what I think of them. So overall, not a bad box, especially for getting 6 items. I think that's really awesome. It was nice of them to send me 2 masks, and all for $10. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.